All right, now normally I wouldn't be wearing pants and boots in the middle of summertime, but let me show you what's going on. I'm pretty sure that's what they would call, I can't even stand still very long. That's a swarm, folks. I'm standing in, I can't even handle it, man. Can't even handle it. I got the heebie-jeebies, look at that. You see that? That is crazy. Crazy. Look at that. And these things, man, when they sting, they do not feel good. It's all the way down the side of the house. I mean, it's everywhere. I mean, they're falling from the gutter. Look. They're falling from the gutter. Oh my gosh. Okay, if that video gave you the heebie-jeebies, think how I feel. I had to stand in those things, like thousands of them, while I was spraying them down. It was horrible. So, you know, the ants will swarm and get into crevices or anywhere they can find. In my case, they were in the downspout, and I mean, just loaded up all the way down the front of the house. So, you know, you can use ant spray or, you know, wasp spray, whatever. But, you know, those are chemicals. Maybe you don't want those around your kids or your pets. So, what you're going to do is get a pump sprayer and then put in a gallon of white vinegar. Add a little bit of Dawn dish soap. That'll make it stick, okay? It'll make it stick to the ants, helps dry them out. Throw you a cup of salt in it. And if you want to add peppermint oil, it's kind of a good thing. It's just, they don't like it. So it's kind of like once the peppermint oil is on there, after the fact, then you can, it'll help, you know, keep them from coming back to that area. So that's what you're going to do. And then I used some of it out here in the garden. And the ants that I found that were around that I sprayed, I'd say within 2 minutes when I'd walk back by, those ants were done. I mean, dried up, done. So the only thing is, what are you doing? My daughter's out here. So the only thing is, when you use this stuff, if it gets anywhere near grass, plants, anything like that, it will kill them, because you can also use this stuff for grass killer, weed killer, whatever, just because the white vinegar in it, the salt, and of course the soap, you know, that allows it to stick to plants and everything. It's going to basically kill any kind of, it's a herbicide. So it's a dual purpose, make this stuff up, so it's really good. So anyway, that's all I got for you. That's how to do it. DIY, make your own, no chemicals, you know, safe, but not safe for plants. So anyway, all right, y'all have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked what you seen, smash that like button, give me a subscribe. Trying to grow the channel. I can grow plants, but I can't grow this channel without you. So thank you very much. You have a good day.